It's been a while since I did an Everything Gotta Go giveaway, but this is going to be Everything Gotta Go giveaway number 20, as long as it still works. So I'm going to take it out of the box and test everything out, make sure that all the functions work properly, and then I'm going to give it away. Not a lot included in this. It only came with a few things like the instruction manual. You get a spare set of propellers, actually just 2 propellers. You don't even get a full set. You get the USB charger, the battery, your drone, and the controller. Now the battery is 150 milliamp hour single cell LiPo, and this battery is a few years old, so I'm not gonna include this in it, although it does still hold charge. As you can see there, it powers the drone on. So I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna switch it for this 220 milliamp hour single cell LiPo. You'll get a better flight time out of this. You have a little bit more milliamp hours. So we're gonna charge this battery up, and then we're gonna take it out and see if everything still works on it. All right, let's go.
So let's take this for a little flight now and see that everything works. And if everything works, then we're gonna give it away. So this 220 milliamp hour battery does fit. It's almost the same size as the 150 milliamp hour battery that came with it. All you do is plug it in to turn it on, and we're gonna get ourselves set up. The head of the drone facing away from you, so we'll up down the bind. Now this is altitude hold. You can either do up and it'll go up by itself like that, and then it also has auto landing, just shuts it off. But let's see if auto takeoff works. Yep, auto takeoff works. 2 beeps there, we're in second rate. 3 beeps, there's the third rate. It flies pretty good. It's not extremely fast, but it is a really good flyer. Now this isn't going to be a review, although it kind of is turning into a review. I just want to see that everything works. So let's try the flips. All right, there's a front flip. We got a back flip there. Let's do a roll to the left and a roll to the right. So there's not much more to do. Other than that, we have our trims. This is for headless mode, so you just we'll do a short press. When you go left, it goes left. And when you go right, it goes right, no matter which way the head's facing. Same with forward and backwards. So headless mode works. Let's get out of that. So the only thing left to do is 1 key return. So you just hold down the button that you pressed for headless mode. There's a long press, and it is slowly working its way back. So 1 key return, I'd say it works. So let's just fly it around, see what kind of battery time we get. It's gonna have a good flight time because this is a brand new battery. So yeah, everything works like it's supposed to. It'll come with a brand new battery. So let's go in and we'll talk about the giveaway.
So now we're going to talk about the giveaway and how you can enter. All you have to do is be a subscriber from the US and then comment down below. And your comment is your entry. And make sure you read the rules and the information down below in the description before you comment. And on October 22nd, I'm going to do a live drawing where I randomly pick the winner of this RH807H. So good luck to everybody who enters, and I can't wait to see you in the live drawing. Click that subscribe button if you didn't already, and I can't wait to see who wins this Ready to Run RC.